You speak English, boss?
350.
How much is this stuff, man?
This 2000. This is metals magnet.
What's the cheapest magnet?
This minimal 600. No, 500.
Which one?
This 500. 3D.
I take 500, boss.
How many?
Just one, just one. This one's good?
Very good.
How much is the wood?
This 600. This 800.
Oh, 600 is also good.
This good.
Maybe I take this one, man. This one, 600, yeah?
Yes.
I take it. How old are you, bro?
Very good.
Good. How old are you?
How old are you?
Yeah.
14.
14. You're a young guy, man. You're Kazakh? You're from Almaty?
Yes. Me from Almaty.
Oh.
I got to school.
Okay. There we go, man.
Okay.
Looks so cool. They even have yurts and stuff.
1 second.
Okay, bro.
100, 200, 300, 400.
Bro, spasiba.
No, no, спасибо. This is Russian.
Oh, how can I say?
Kazakhstan, Rahmet.
Rahmet. Rahmet, brother.